Hi everybody, it's been a while, so I'm going to give you a video. And it's not going to be a very good video because I can't find my tripod. It's like gone. Such a yucky day out. Perfect day to do this. And I've made this recipe with pistachio. This time it's going to be pumpkin, so bear with me. I've never done this one before, and yep, we still haven't. Still got the yucky kitchen, but that's all right. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to have chopped pecans, 3/4 cup. So these are in my freezer. I always keep my nuts, pecans, in the freezer. The oils it won't go bad. Because otherwise the oil in your nuts can go rancid. Let's see, what do we got? Maybe a little more. Okay. Those back in. I am going to take the easy way out. And where is it? Can't find my hammer either. We're just gonna bang these. So I get my pecans when they're on sale and buy them big containers and then freeze them and just take out what I need. All right, cup of flour. So we're making the crust. And then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is 1 stick of butter. It softened, but yet I melted it part way, so I'm gonna put that in there. I'm just gonna, okay. Oop, I'll lift you up. Where are you? So it's all together, and I'm just gonna mix it up. It's all mixed. Now I'm gonna put it in the pan that I just sprayed. So now you just flatten it out. I'll start with the spoon, and then I'll go in with my back of my hand. Because I can feel if it's level more, or even I should say. All the way around with the back of my hand. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, when the oven's ready, it'll be at 350 for 15 minutes. This is the only baking we're doing. The only part that gets baked. Okay, when that goes off, I'm gonna put it in. And then you let it cool, of course, before we put any of the filling in. All right, so an 8-ounce container, 1 stick, 1 brick, whatever you wanna call it, of cream cheese. It's sort of softened, so I'm gonna try it. And then 1 cup of powdered sugar, so I'm gonna dump that in there. Now a cup of Cool Whip. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Yeah, that's a cup. 1 more. Because I need the rest for the top. Okay. Okay, so I mixed that in nicely. Now this goes on the nuts with a crust. This is one of those desserts. The flavored filling could be whatever you want. So usually in the summer, I do pistachio. And I forgot, till I saw this, to do pumpkin. That would be good. Hold on, let me get the last of it. Russ will probably lick the rest. And when you spread this, you more or less mush it and carefully lift up your spatula, because otherwise it'll come right up and you'll pull up your crust. All right. Well, we got the Badger game going on in the background. Sorry, everybody. They're actually winning. All right, I'm gonna put this in the fridge while I make the next layer. Russ, you get to lick the bowl and the spatula. All right, we'll be back. Okay, so I have 1 can of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie pumpkin. It's just the puree. And then I need pumpkin pie spice. 1 teaspoon. Oh, sorry. Now I gotta get the milk. It needs 2.5 cups milk, but I have some half and half I want to use. So that's 1. Should be 2, just under. And a half. Where's my halfer? All right. I'm gonna mix that up before I put in the pudding. I'm a clean as you go type of person. All right, now I'll speed it up a little bit, and I'll bring you back when I'm ready to put the pudding in. So 3 of the small vanilla pie fillings. I have to restock my vanilla pie filling. I have a feeling we're gonna have leftover pumpkin pie this layer. That'll be so sad, we'll have to eat it. I could put it between 2 chocolate chip cookies and then freeze it. That's an idea. Or I could put it in pancakes. Got thick already. Smells good. Delicious. All right. then we gotta put Cool Whip on top of this. I don't know. We're gonna have enough room. Do you want Cool Whip on top, Russ? I don't really need it.
I think I would put it on after you cut a piece.
Man, you could put shaved chocolate, crunched ginger snaps. Russ doesn't like ginger snaps. Make ginger snap cookie crust at the bottom. Oh, that sounds good. You know what? I'm gonna get it all in there. Or I'll just put it in a bowl and we'll eat it as just another type of dessert. That might be enough, hey?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to go over the edge. All right, I'll just put the rest in a bowl. All right, and then you can put Cool Whip on top. That's it. And sprinkle nuts if you want, but I'm gonna let this get nice and stiff. All right, I'll bring you back when I cut it.